Hello everyone, we are Group 1, MarketLens. Our team has 5 members, and this is our system video, where we'll walk you through the system design and a use case demonstration of our project. Let's start with the system design. As mentioned in our proposal, our system is built using LangChain, which provides the framework for multi-agent collaboration. LangChain enables sequential orchestration, context sharing, and tool invocation among different agents. At the center of our system is the manager agent. It communicates with users and coordinates 4 sub-agents: analyst, researcher, trader, and risk management. The analyst dynamically calls 4 tool categories: news, fundamentals, market data, and sentiment, depending on the user's query. For technical analysis, we use Yahoo Finance tool, built on Y-Finance data, to generate indicators like moving averages, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, and ATR. It can even export historical candlestick data as CSV files. For social sentiment, we use a playwright crawler to collect tweets that contain financial keywords. Each post is scored and weighted by influence, producing indicators for sentiment score, volatility, and quality. Next, the researcher agents take the analyst outputs and package them as structured research inputs. Once data from all 4 perspectives, news, fundamentals, sentiment, and market, are ready, the system launches multi-round debates between bullish and bearish researchers. Each round is recorded in a debate history, and finally, the moderate debate tool summarizes the discussion and provides an overall recommendation: buy, hold, or sell, based on risk preference and holding period. The trader agent combines the researcher's conclusions with the Kronos deep forecasting model to automatically generate trading decisions. It first reads the research output, including recommendation direction, confidence score, and risk level, and then calls Kronos for price prediction. The Kronos model uses a transformer architecture and quantitative encoding to predict future price trends. It performs autoregressive reasoning on historical data, outputs visualized results, and supports fine-tuning. All results are consolidated into a decision card, including position size, entry range, stop loss, take profit, and overall confidence. Then comes risk management. This module reads the trader's decision card, and the orchestrator coordinates 3 risk evaluators: optimistic, neutral, and pessimistic. Each one uses large language model reasoning and rule-based logic to generate a unique market view. Finally, the risk aggregator integrates these perspectives, checks for consistency, calculates average position size and price range, and produces a final risk report. The risk management module makes trading safer and more controlled. For the AAPL analysis on October 25, 2025, it reduced the position size from 0.6 to 0.417, about 30% lower, tightened the stop loss from $271.37 to $264.00, and adjusted the take profit from $219.68 to $211.93. Now let's move on to a use case demonstration. Our backend is built with Fast API and WebSocket, which connects to the LangChain framework to manage tasks and real-time communication. In the terminal, we run the command. When the console shows Application Startup Complete, it means the backend is ready. Our frontend is developed with React, providing an interactive visualization interface. We open a new terminal, go to the frontend folder, and run. This launches the app at localhost 5173, which communicates with the backend on port 8000. After launching, we reach the login page, where users can log in with email or continue as a guest. Both work the same. We'll sign in with our email and password, and once we're logged in, we'll see the main dashboard, which is divided into 3 panels: left, center, and right. On the left, there's the main toolbar. It shows your account details, logout button, and chat history, and also lets you select which information sources you want the analysts to use. The center panel is simply the chat and response area, where the conversation with the manager agent takes place. On the right panel, we show the model's reasoning process in real time, displaying each agent's progress and current task. This helps users understand what's happening behind the scenes. And in the following example, we'll see this process in action. Now let's try a real example. In the center chat box, we type, "I want comprehensive analysis of NVIDIA stock." From the sidebar, click Rename and change the conversation name to NVIDIA. Immediately, the reasoning process appears on the right panel, and the analyst begins calling all four tools. All the data are stored as a JSON file in the database. The researcher then conducts 3 rounds of debate, followed by the trader running the Chronos model. Finally, the risk management module evaluates the proposal and produces a risk report. The manager agent gathers everything and displays the result in the center panel. For NVDA on October 23, 2025, the researcher's recommendation is sell, and the trader generates a detailed decision card. In the final recommendation section, there's a dynamic chart from Chronos showing how the price is expected to move over time. And when users hover their mouse over it, they can see the predicted price for that exact point in time. And that's the full workflow of our system. Through multi-agent collaboration, MarketLens completes the entire trading loop, from data collection to decision generation and risk control. Thank you for watching.